Bearnaí Ó Doibhlín is mis Bearnaí Ó Doibhlín agus is as Belfasterdam. Hi, my name is Bearnai Devlin and I'm from Belfast. Ach tá mé macónaí san Austrál le beagnach leithéid bliana nuas, but I've been living in Australia now for almost 40 years. An rud atá ar intin agam aniu ná an scéal a phlé libse mar gheall an fá a bhfuilm ag leabhart as Gaeilge. What I'd like to do is to explain why it is I'm speaking in Irish. Cé go bhfuil béarla mar wathair teanga agamsa, even though English is my mother tongue. Nuair bhí mé ag fascinated in Belfast when I was growing up in Belfast, dólam mé Gaeilge mar ábhar scala. I learned Irish as a school language. Ach gach saru caiith mé sa Gaeltacht, but every summer I spent a month in the Gaeltacht. Níl aon focail béarla ar Gaeltacht. There's no English word for Gaeltacht. Cilíonn sé na cantar in éireann and it will Gaeilge fós mar an teanga a lóran muintir na haidse. It means the places in Ireland where Irish is still spoken by the people. Caiith mé cuaig sara I Nidor ag fólam na Gaeilge nuair bhí mé in Maegor. I spent 5 summers in Gweedore learning Irish while I was a teenager. Rinne mé Gaeilge mar ábhar ag Ulscoil na Riana in Belfast. I did Gaelic as a subject at Queen's University in Belfast. Ach nuair bhí céim buinte amach agam, ní raibh buintear bí agam leis an teanga ina dhéag sin. But when I'd finished my degree, that was the end of my connection with the Irish language. Nuair a tháinig mé chun Austrrála, ní raibh aon buintear bí agam leis an teanga dar nua. And of course, when I came to Australia, there was no reason why I would have any contact with the Irish language. Ach nuair a dairg mé as obair sa bliain 1990, but when I retired in 1999, dil mé ar éireann agus caiith mé tréimhse arís I Nidor. But when I retired in 1999, I returned to Ireland and spent some time back in Gweedore. Drastal mé ar rangana le daoine fásta illa. I attended classes with other adults. Agus céile le céile tháinig an teanga arís dom, and bit by bit the language came back to me. Ó hine le, film ar éireann, timpeall ar gach 3 bliana. Since then I've been returning to Ireland about every 3 years. Agus gach uair a bhí arís caitham seáil sa Gaeltacht. And every time I return to Ireland, I spend some time in the Gaeltacht. Le 3 cuairt anuas for the last 3 visits, caiith mé seáil in áit in Iar-Yeisgurt Guinanal. I've been going to a place in southeast Donegal, Glan Colum Killa, le freastal ar cuasaí le agriacht arbanam Idris Gael on, to attend courses with an organisation called Idris Gael. Agus tá ag súil go mór leis an céadam eile a bheith deis agam fileua éireann. I'm looking forward now to the next time I'll be able to go back to Ireland. Agus seáil a caiithimh in Lan Colum Killa ag freastal ar cuasa le Idris Gael, to attend further courses with Idris Gael. Bíonn rud ag an dríochtúil faoi an cantar sin. There's something magical about that area. Malann sé daoine as níomháin as gach ceann de éireann. Not only does it attract people from every part of Ireland, ach bíonn daoine an as tíortha éagsúla. It attracts people from all sorts of countries. Agus I gcónaí daoine deasa, daoine a bhainm ansúil as a bheith ina gúlóidir. Really nice people whose company I particularly enjoy. So sin é mar scéal, that's my story. Gur maigad, slán anish. Thank you and goodbye.